because watch me. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds beach by my doorstep. Yeah, sweet song with melody pure and true. And they say that's why, hey, singing over me about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing over me about a thing, because who wants to hear my friend Lee sing? They don't want to hear him sing. Take it away.
Up this morning, smiles of the rising sun. Three little birds beside my doorstep, baby, said we're singing sweet songs, a melody that pure and true. Whoa, it is my message to you.
Give him a big round of applause. Singing over me. Because everything is gonna be alright. One more time. Singing on about a day, but something new. Because everything. Give it up for my brother AJ. Take it away. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Keys, singing sweet songs, all the melodies pure and true. Stop it, stop it. This is my message to you. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, this is by Time North Samoa. If you guys are ever in Samoa, that's the place to buy your shirts. Singing, don't worry about a thing, because everything is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Now we want Sydney to sing for us from Samoa. Sing it, don't worry. Sing it, don't worry. I'm sure you guys can do it louder. But Sydney, it's gonna be alright. One more time, Sydney, sing it, don't worry. Don't worry. Because Husky Band all the way from Samoa. Let me hear you scream. We try to mention our sponsors one more time. Big thank you to Alan and Dwayne Bentley from Samoa Airways. How about a big round of applause for Samoa Airways, ladies and gentlemen. And also can't forget Husky's major sponsor, Revolution Gym St. Mary's. Yes, I can. Western Union. And thank you again to Samoa Whānau Australia Committee for putting all this together. I want to introduce the band right now. Ladies and gentlemen, to my left, Real Time Pizza, Fat Boy all the way from the East Side Noir. Our female singer, ladies and gentlemen, say love, Fui Mono. From Love My Lover Savati. On our right, we have Big Daddy Papa Bear, Logan Timotel from Malia, Samoa. We found us this night not too long ago. Myself and my brother here, Gabriel, we are from everywhere in Samoa. We are Samoans, we're proud Samoans. But my dear love, my lover as well, ladies and gentlemen, represent. We'll sing one more time. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for having us. We are the Husky Band. Sing this one more time for us. Here we go. Sing it, no one thing. Come on, Cindy. Because it's gonna be alright. One more time. Sing it, no worry about a thing. Come on, Cindy. Because everything is gonna be alright. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good night. Take care. God bless you. So far, so far. Don't worry, the night's not over. We'll let the DJ take over to Drama Class and take care.